And in today's episode, we'll be exploring a crucial yet often overlooked topic, that is the role of HR in the driving innovation. HR can really encourage all the team member, all the other cross-functional team member to come together and break and also create an innovation around them, right? Leadership development is one of the key aspect of it, of how people are innovating themselves, the diversity, the changes, the innovation, the leadership development qualities. Welcome back to the HR Unscripted, where we dive deep into the issues, trends, and insights that shape today's workplace. I'm Deepika, the HR partner at Niroga. And in today's episode, we'll be exploring a crucial yet often overlooked topic, that is the role of HR in the driving innovation. So, if we talk about the innovation, then innovation is not just about technology or the new products that's coming around, the uses of AI and all of those stuff. But it's also about that how we are generating the new ideas, creating problem solving, how we are creatively doing the problem solving, and most importantly, the people behind it all. And that's where the HR comes in. So, what is the role of HR in innovation? So let's talk about that, what traditional HR was, because traditionally HR was seen as a department focused on only recruitment, payroll, and compliances that you were handling in the organization. But now more than ever, HR is positioned as a strategic partner to foster innovation within the organization. HR really play a keen role over there because HR has the power to shape a culture that nurtures creativity, empower employees, and also support the learning culture over here. Definitely that HR really plays an important role also in creating a culture of innovations. So let's see that how can HR actively drive innovation. So if we see that it start with creating the right culture, because when you are creating a right culture, employee will feel safe to experiment, make mistakes, and share bold ideas. And when they start sharing that, that's where the innovation happens, right? And HR also can facilitate this by promoting an environment where diverse perspectives are really celebrated, and HR is the key responsible person for creating that culture. And let's discuss this with an example, because in this world, like, HR encourage really a cross-functional collaboration to break down silos, because when we start working, we do create our own silos where we are working in all our tasks and not collaborating with the other team, right? So in HR can really encourage all the team member, all the other cross-functional team member to come together and break and also create an innovation around them, right? And then the also HR can provide the continuous learning opportunities to upskill their employees, and also they can, after upskilling, they can introduce their new ideas and be creative in their own ideas. And also HR really help in establishing a feedback system over there, because establishing a feedback loops that's really allows employee to voice their ideas openly, and they can be creative in their ideas, right? So these are some of the examples that HR can really lead, right? HR initiatives can lead and create opportunities over there. And also, if we talk next about, is that we always heard about a topic that's called diversity, where we are talking about the diverse environment, right? We want to, everybody is talking about that, we want to create a diverse organization where each and every people are appreciated irrespective of anything, right? So it is one of the most powerful drivers of innovation. Definitely, when there is a diversity, there are different mindset people are there, right? And because, and why this is the HR responsibility, because HR has a unique ability to, like, they can attract, hire, and return, right, the diverse talent, bringing in new viewpoints and experience of the employees. So even if we see a lot of data around it, so now companies are selling that the companies with a diverse team are more likely to outperform their competitors in innovation, because they do have a different mindset people. And also HR also plays a role in ensuring inclusivity, right? Making sure that everyone, regardless of a background, has the chance to contribute ideas and participate in shaping the future of the company. True. So now we talk about all diversity. So now you know that everybody talked about that a leadership quality that HR should have, or the employee, that how we should provide with, how should employee have a leadership development, and how it affects the innovation, right? So definitely that organization are doing a lot of things to innovate, right? So leadership development is one of the key aspect of it, of how people are innovating themselves, because innovative organization need leaders, definitely, because leaders are those who encourage creativity and the risk taking, because leaders are those who are leading the team. So HR can offer a lot of leadership program that's focused on nurturing these qualities in manager and executives, like helping them foster innovation with their limits, with their teams, right? So these are also one of the qualities that where HR can really help and innovate the team. Now, and of course, if we talk about all of them, the diversity, the leadership, there are a lot of challenges that HR always face, right? So there are challenges that a leadership, even everybody face and an organization face, is that resistant to change. Like many companies we you heard is that struggling with the resistant to change. They don't want to take a risk. They are a risk aversion company, and this is like and they will say this is how we have always done it. Why? And that is the mentality of the people, and people don't want to change that mentality, right? So these are the barriers also come in when you start to innovate, and that is the one of the key challenges that every organization is way much like face it, right? So HR is the one role where they can manage it critically, addressing these barriers. Definitely, because HR is the one who shapes the culture, right? So HR can do it by promoting an open mindset, like where people are open to share each and everything, and also they can drive the change management strategies, right? How they can change themselves. What are the resources that an HR can provide it to change their perspective. So HR can really help overcome these hurdles. Definitely, that is where the role of the HR come in. Now, the all of the things that we talked about, the diversity, the changes, the innovation, the leadership development qualities, and how then HR can help and shape a company in overcoming the barriers to the innovation. Because definitely, when you are doing something, there are different minds in people that will come, and people are always not same. Every individuals are having their different mindset, and different, they come up with the different thoughts, right? So the most important thing is that how do we measure the success, right? That whether the HR drive the innovation or not. So definitely, HR is definitely that it's not just only about the number of the new product launch, right? It is innovation. Definitely can be also measured by the employee engagement, how many people are contributing to the idea generation, and how people are differently doing the problem solving. So that is where we measure the HR driven innovations, right? Because HR really help people in coming up, in opening their mindset, in making them open up, right? So innovation, it isn't just the responsibility, like we can say, of R&D, like we need to do research and development or any leadership, but definitely HR is one of the plays a very vital role in creating the right environment, in nurturing the talents and driving the change that really led to break through those ideas, right? Because when HR allows the people to talk, then definitely they can open up. So next time when you think of the innovation, remember it start with your people, and HR is that catalyst that make it happen. True. So please share your agenda on this. That how do you feel that is HR can really create a innovation, that they drive innovation over there? What are the role of HR in driving that innovation? What are the things that they can start with their people, and how that their people can relate to that innovation in the company? So thank you for all those who are turning into the episode of HR Unscripted. So I really request you now to be sure to subscribe for more conversation about the future of our work and how HR can shape it. Leave your thoughts in the comment about how your HR team drives innovation. And until next time, stay creative, stay engaged. Here signing off, Deepika, the HR partner at Nero.